Oh, I'm pressing buttons I probably shouldn't be pressing. Anyways, what's up, guys? Hi. Hi. Heyo. I'm just kind of watching this going, what? It's also really diminishing my good mood because I was like, heck yeah, we're now gonna have, I was looking at this thinking, yes, New York's now gonna be good. And now this happened. And now I'm starting to get the very annoying feeling that actually New York is going to be Chop City. When it has this type of movement, before New York, it's Chop City. Ugh, damn, oh well. Inspired Josh, what up? How you doing? Multimirror, hi. How are you? Happy Monday. What's up, Richard? How are you? It depends on where I took it. If I had taken a sell here, I would have been called out. If I had taken a sell here, you are correct. Where was that little bit of a trade I was in? Yeah, it all depends on where you take the sell. On the higher time frame, you're correct. If you got in early, you would have been grand. I mean, if I had taken a buy here, I would have had a win. It all depends on timing. Just a 14 size on that way down. Inspired Josh, what pair? So I'm not trading a pair, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How are you, Josh? Where are you from? You're new, right? I do not remember an Inspired Josh. How much you risk when you hit 49k? $100 per trade. Yeah. When I get to 49k. What's up, Eddie? How are we? Are you good? Are you amazing? I hope so. Solly. Hi. Good morning. I love that you're saying good morning, glorious people. It makes me feel good.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Yeah, I'm new. That is awesome. What do you trade, Josh? How long have you been trading? Welcome to the fam damily. We're a little weird here. If you like weird people, this is the place for you to be. But anyways, what I was going to say. Glitter, coffee. Wait, what? Eddie, are you good? I think Eddie's had too much coffee. Anyways, let's quickly mark out London high, London low. You know, all the shenanigans. Oh, wait, actually, I want to keep that up. I'm still curious about something. Oh, wait, let's go to the funded. Sorry, this was on Le Paper. Get off Le Paper. We go on to Le Funded. I know it makes no difference where I mark these out, but still. Yeah. Okay. London high and Asia high are very close to one another. Excuse me, sir. Thank you. A bummer about this, but it's fine. I'm just gonna mark out this point of liquidity. Ugh. Look at all of these liquidity points. Okay, a quick top to bottom analysis shall be in order. Oh no. Oh, that's not that bad. Okay. Never mind. Someone was posting, you'll increase prices. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. It's okay. I mean, it's not great, but it's better. You're familiar with... Okay, nice. Glittery. Am I glittery? What's glittery? Do I look glittery? I will take that. I will look glittery. It's like 1 degree here. I keep getting up and putting the hairdryer and something. Are you serious? Too much coffee and no sleep. Ah, Eddie, you know what that would do. Put it down. Solly, are you good? Are you good? Anyways, Let's do a quick top to bottom analysis. Yeah. Check the daily again. Meow. Little zoomy. Okay. Got a bit of a volume balance over here. At 109. Gosh, that's far down. Need to see it break 214 for it to get that far. I don't know if it's gonna get that far. Definitely didn't make it to that one over there. Okay, 109. Awesome sauce. Next, let's check the 4 hour. And then I want to check that all the 1 hour main liquidity points have been marked up. Okay, 4 hour, we have gone below the new weekly opening gap. Wow, we are in this little bit of a cluster. Next break would be 269, around there. Then after that, 215. Awesome, then we'll be headed back into this bullish fair value gap. Question is if, well, are we going to break below that, or is that what we're going to reject off of? Okay, so that's the 4 hour. Let's check the 1 hour. This is where I'm going to blind some of you guys. I apologize in advance for blinding you. Okay, want to see that. Midnight Magnet is in between this little bit of a bearish fair value gap. Sorry, I'm just getting sure I got all the facts. Yeah, that was the new weekly opening gap that has indeed been taken. Okay, there's actually... What's up, David? Hey, Jordy! How you doing? It sounded good in theory. Okay, sorry, just looking at everything here. It did not reject off of this level like I thought it would. I really thought we'd have a bit of a rejection over there. However, because we have broken below it, like I said, there's all the sell side liquidity over here. Is this what we are headed for today? Dun dun dun. Potentially. Okay, there's the 1 hour. I apologize. I wanted to quickly just make sure I'd marked everything out, which I have. Okay, let's check the 15 minute. Now we've gotten rid of all the noise. Okay, all we got so far in the 15 minute are these bearish fair value gaps. And obviously a bit of sell side liquidity with these relatively, because I've marked this out already, so that's fine. Okay, 5 minute. Samesies! I mean, look at all these relative equal highs as well. Okay, so we got a bit of sell side and a bit of buy side liquidity. That's fine though. We also got these two bearish fair value gaps. Okay, back to the 1 minute. I cannot decide if I'm feeling hot or cold. Solly, I also can't believe it's that cold there. Wasn't it super hot the other day? Okay, into that bob level that has now been taken. Good, actual grief. Ooh, sorry. I'm going ooh, because did this reach? Oh my gosh, it missed. Rough. That sucks. Anyways, did not go up that far to 50%. I'm so sorry. I know I'm talking a lot to myself. No, stop moving so much. When it does this before New York open, New York is Chop City. I don't want to trade in Chop City. Oh, am I from South Africa? Yes, I am. Hi, what's up? I am indeed South African. I live in South Africa. I am from South Africa. How are we today? Where's the jacket? I took it off because it was getting a tad bit toasty, but now I'm conflicted. So, yeah, that doesn't help. OTT, what's up? First of the month, rent is due. Beautiful high volume short trade on the View app. Here I've been doing some testing with View app and TWAP message. TWAP, which is wasted your time rather than volume. Eddie, to be fair, I'd never even heard of TWAP. Okay. Never even heard of it. Oh, thank you. SSRP. We got PMI at 10. Thanks, Deb. That low-key Obama, but it is what it is. Smiling me the code because I'm cold. There we go. Sully. I also can't believe it's that cold there. Are you serious? Why is it so cold there? Well, I guess it is winter. Winter hasn't, you know, realized that it's winter here, so I'm calling it losses all round today. Damn, Mikuave, that was savage. Rude. Also, speak for your damn self. I've had a win already today, so boom. Be bothered. Okay. Let's see. Dom, I see that you are in a trade. That is awesome. Okay, 4 minutes to go until open. I'm expecting Chop City. I'm trying to not be a negative Nancy, but it's really hard. Markets prove me wrong. Let's go. First of the month they turned on the cold weather. Australia's fake. That makes sense. They're like, it's officially winter. You know what that means. Bring on the cold. So we all ain't trading till 10, right? OTT, I want to say yes, but I watch there be a beautiful setup and someone's gonna trade it. If I'm not mistaken, Dom's already in a trade. Is anyone else already in a trade? Yes, sir, unless you want to pull port open with me. Oh, go on, Sully, do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Okay, I'm done. Basically 3, 2, 1, and now 2 minutes to go until open. Just tapped in to this liquidity zone. Literally just tapped into it. Hey Louis Graham, what's up? How you doing? Yes. Sorry, it's a new month. Gotta start it off with a full port wheel candles. Guys, I just took out on that retracement 6 hour and then carried on melting. Nasty Queen got me today. No ways, Debbie, that sucks. Though to be fair, you still got a 6 hour, so it is what it is. You can't be complaining about that. I feel like that's a weird flex. I need to remind myself to double check if I'm in my paper or funded account, because I nearly for the lols did a bit of a coin flip, and that would have been on my funded account. That would have been bad. I am reminding myself constantly because I know that I can be an idiot sometimes, so for me to accidentally take a coin flip trade on my funded is very much a real thing that I need to watch out for because I'm a chop. But let's see. Um, 50-50-ish. Oh, okay, you on awesome. So you're on ES, cool. You're looking to take longs from here or from... I'm gonna just wait for confirmations. I don't even want to... Oh, I didn't do that. Do I have time? I do not have time. Damn, I didn't check my bias. Okay, it's okay. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Please say I got the right time. I've done that before where I got the wrong time. That was embarrassing. I remember that. That was very embarrassing for me that day. Anyways, it's fine. We continue. Come on, New York, don't do us dirty. One step at a time. Do 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 do. If you're asking why I have so much energy, the answer is I don't flipping know. I had some sour worms. I have not had sour worms in forever, so yeah, that was weird. But sour worm should not give me this level of energy. This is weirdo amount of energy. 2, 1, cool. There's the 9:30 a.m. range right here. Booyah! Rejection off of the bob, not bad. See if it goes bob to bob. If I shoot for balls through, I'm kidnapping the man and taking him. Yeah, that's true. Alright guys, I'll call the next one after music. Good. I'm in long full port. There we go, Sully, I knew it. She don't want us to make money. I know she doesn't. It's rude. Really, really rude. There was a nice bob to bob in one candle. Damn. Damn, that candle's 83 points. I'm not... okay. I'm not doubting that this is going to be volatile. The problem is I think this is going to be volatile sideways. Which does not help me. Please don't be volatile sideways. Please, please. Let's be nice. Let's all be friends. Let's not be volatile in a sideways direction. Instagram? Okay. Sorry, you took the buy. $9.32. Here we go. Okay, so far, let's see. So far, let's see. GT, you know that's not true. I'm calling next trade. I take guys, not finish my, but take the trade. In my dreams are. What's up, Louie? How are we doing? You're selling at 423. Okay, let's see. With no TP, you're just letting it run. You do 5 million. Oh, gosh. I said, I'm just gonna sit and watch this for a bit. Wait for either confirmation or something. 9:33. I do also normally wait for the first 5 minutes to at least do what they gotta do. Also, gotta be wary with PMI happening at 10. So we do have a few minutes, so that's fine. Right? Right. It'll be just dandy. Absolutely dandy. Oh dear, wasn't Dom in a short? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm pretty sure Dom was in a short trade. That's good. Oh, by the way, guys, I have been slowly starting to edit the Boom interview. Boom Banana interview coming soon. We had OTT. Next up is Boom Banana. I want to interview someone else now as well. Don't know who. Maybe I'm gonna bug Geordie. Stop loss on profit. My paper trading account has a crazy track record from coin flipping New York Open. You actually have a trade here, but I don't know if I should take. Why don't you just de-risk? Take it, but take it for less than you normally would. No? Yes? Maybe. Okay, no first presented yet. Large candles, just, Obviously not financial advice, just suggesting. If you have it but you're not sure about it, but you want to take it, just maybe de-risk. All the mods should do interviews. Solly, you know that means you gotta do an interview, right? Just saying. Oh, OTT is in. do. Your break even already? Wow. Nuts. Oh man. It's not an A+ setup for me. Also, here's the 5-minute. That is basically the 5-minute candle. Shall we see how large that is? The 5-minute candle is basically 117 points. %, 20 bones. What's up, T-Sat? How you doing? Let me grab me up 1% if you'll make it. See how you like it. Again, but I don't do risk. My bad. Partial taken. Wow. Well, I've agreed to do interview already. Haha. I'm going to continue ICT legacy. For me. Louis, you got this. Rough. Wasn't A+. Potentially wouldn't have tagged me in. And now going up. Oh well. That I don't think this would have tagged me in, regardless. Bummer. Okay. Still didn't have a first presenter, just putting it out there. No first presenter just yet. But we're still going, still gonna continue. I think maybe a tap into VWAP. Let's see. Solly when he retires. You scared Solly there. Wait a second. Wait a damn minute. I just thought of something. OTT, if I'm like your big sister, does that make Solly my younger brother as well? Interesting. Maybe 6 minutes, 30 seconds. Did I sleep in that? No. Live life? Why? What? Oh, do you not know where I live? I live in South Africa. London and New York are during the same day for me. It's bedtime after New York, which is fantastic. Living in South Africa and trading is just amazing. Damn! Okay, Holly. Look at that. Holly's my little sister. Definitely not older brother. Okay, yep. I'm very grateful that I called you Holly there. Before you even said that, I knew Holly was out. Little sassy queen. Good grief. Okay, so date night after you hit TP. What? Where do you live? Live life? Apart from living life, where do you live? What's up, James? How you doing? Why can't we be friends? Damn. Eddie, was that you that put that in my head? No, I sang that. Great. That's now stuck in my head. That's gonna irritate me. Appreciate it. I don't know it. I could actually be yelling at myself right now. I don't know who first sang that, but anyways. Live life definitely. 10 seconds ago I moved to South Africa. That was so terrible. Oh wow. Wow. Brilliant. Anyways. Damn. Oh, this song's gonna be stuck in my head the whole day now, and this is gonna drive me absolutely batty. Anyways. Still no first presented. Probably my indicator to just stay hands off. Wait until PMI. It's in 19 minutes. That's quite far away. But anyways, OTT, you still in this thing? Or are you taking out break even? What's happening? Louis, you sold at 423 again. Okay. Let me guess, Louis, you have moved it into profit, right? And taken out a 20? No? Okay, so you only moved it now? Wasn't taken out a 20. Okay. That was taken. We are bouncing off of... Which one? Bouncing off of the 50% of the new weekly opening gap, actually. That does not count. Sorry, I was just looking. I was like, is there like the tiniest fair value gap in the world that formed over here? I don't think that counts. That's like the size of a spread. That cannot be a fair value gap. That's me having to like squint at it to see something there. My TP getting edge. No ways, OTT. OTT at the bank right now, honestly. Honestly. OTT is just... I think we're all waiting for its course to come out. That's where we are at right now in life. We're all just waiting for OTT's course to come out. Then we're good to go. Okay, time out. Why can't two people both be traders? So many questions. I'm up 14k Monopoly money. Anyone need to get out of jail? I was gonna be like me, but I don't think I've ever done anything bad. Gosh, I'm quite boring, aren't I? Damn, sorry guys. Sorry guys, I'll have to just be more, I don't know, I'm just gonna have to be better. Imbalance, isn't that technically balanced? I don't know why I'm trying to argue for this, but I'm just curious about it. OTT course is 100% gonna lead you to unprofitability. Oh, shush you. What did you just have last month? I can say last month because it is officially a new month. What did you just have last month, OTT? Out of curiosity. Was it a 10k month? Nah. You guys are waiting for OTT's cost to come out. Gentle short setup coming. 15 minutes to go until PMI. Yep. And there's jolts. Oh, okay. See, I'm just gonna be missing that on Wednesday, so that's fine. Oh, Friday looks like fun. Okay, Friday looks like fun. Guys, we have yet to have a first presented fair value gap. Just, I'm putting it out there. You have broken the law of age? What do you mean? A crime committed against the people? What did I do? Yes, yes, sorry, I said course. Low-key or luck. Funny, isn't it? The more you trade and the more you learn, the luckier you get. It's very funny, isn't it? Interesting how that works. Oh, I see. I have energy, but I'm super serious for this stream today. Wow. It's weird how you always get different Mayas. This morning I was a bit tired. Now I have energy, but I'm being very serious about life. Good luck to y'all. Oh, man. Give me a setup. Da 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 da. Hey, burr, 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 burr. What was I saying about being serious? Taking 50% profit, but nice! It's in a channel. I break even. We are nice. Oh. Okay, Lou, that is awesome. Well done. You are good as gold. Okay, tapped into VWAP. Bub. See what we get here. Wait, 20 seconds left. Well, says this is about to be our first presented fair value gap. No ways. Oh, nuh-uh. Maybe. 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have a first presented fair value gap, guys. How wild. Only like 15 minutes in, but still. There's the first presented. Louis, you still think we're gonna move higher? I'm not even gonna lie, I'm just kind of hands off right now because this is in a bit of a weird zone. I wonder if it's gonna come for all of these relatively equal highs. I mean, there's you can see all of this liquidity sitting around this level here. Wonder if it's gonna come grab this and then continue back down, or if we're just gonna keep on go up. Nope, never mind. Never mind then. My bad. I'm getting worried we're getting way too close to news right now. But you're at break even, right? So, and you've taken a partial, so it doesn't matter. Whatever happens, happens. No? Yes? Maybe? 9:49, 10 minutes to go. Did reject off of this first presented, but now it's kind of bing 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 off of these two. The first presented and VWAP. Oh. Something wrong with me. I go with the sun. I'm like a little, I was gonna say a sunflower, but that's not right. Literally, if the sun goes down, I'm instantly tired. I am definitely one of those people that if the sun is out, I'm good. If the sun sets, I'm a problem. It's the same as waking up early. When the sun comes up at like 5 a.m. in the morning, I'll be up at 5 a.m. in the morning. If the sun only comes up at 7 a.m., guess who's only going to wake up at 7 a.m.? I am a problem. Surely it takes those highs. They're like 5 of the dogs. Let's see, we have 10 minutes to go, Solly. It could just be teasing people. Look at it right now. It's a little rude. You would assume so. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, basically 5. But just taps up above here. But then again, the question is it going to go a little bit higher, tap into this bearish fair value gap and reject off of it? Or was London just the manipulation to the sell side and New York is now the distribution higher? Did we just get a lot of manipulation and now NQ is going to show its true colors and we're going to start popping back up to all-time highs. Maya is a reverse vampire. Oh, I low-key love that. You are correct. What the reverse of a vampire be? I should have taken GM, but I've never gone higher than 2. 3M is for freaks. Bought at 4:30. Stop loss and profit. Shorts loading. Oh, okay, never mind. Live Life thinks that the shorty shorts are coming. 9:51. 9 minutes to go. You know this requires a second. Okay, let's go. Just saying. At PMI, I will do another. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh. Reverse vampire means that she puts blood into people that need it. Louis, that's low-key hilarious because I always donate blood. Another 20 bucks. Maybe 3-minute reverse is actually scary. Let's go. 9:52. Okie dokie. Tapped in there. You guys know the rules when it comes to the bob levels with me. Don't touch it. I'm still watching this though. Sally, what am I looking for? Do I have a setup in mind? To be fair, I'm not actually looking for anything until after PMI. You know, sweet and simply. I'm not about to mess with the news. And it is indeed in like 8 minutes. Well, no, actually. 7. It is in 7 minutes. Which means this could be a roller coaster real quick. 3M is underrated. It's gonna fill the gap lower, take the short. Let's see. No TP. Donating blood is literally my nightmare. I'd rather fight a tiger and oh no, no ways. Yeah, I've donated blood a few times. I was nearly not allowed to last time because my iron level was on the verge of being too low and I was like, whoopsies. My bad. Wow, we have some conflicting thoughts over here. I love it. Okay, 6 minutes to go. Majority are actually saying sells, which is making me think buys. Sorry, when a lot of people agree on something, it tends to do the opposite. But that's also just me being a little bit of a skeptic. Mine is going down. Oh my gosh, drop, 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 sell the lows, buy the highs. Okay, 9:54. Wait, OTT, were you taking out a break even though? Today's markets are trying like mine might be choppy, seller. No mind. My voice down 100 points. I don't care about sales or buys, I just react to it so far. I'm green. What is refilled then rejected? OTT, you're about to. Oh no. But you still had whatchamacallit? That's fine. You still had a partial, so you're still in the green. So that's still a whoop whoop. Oh, if you weren't so close to news. If you weren't so close to news, pity. Okay. What a shame. I say sideways, manipulation both ways, and its NQ will drop. Stop loss deep in profit, $100. Oh man. Loki looks like a really nice setup for me. Oh well. It's a pity I'm hands off until news. Which is in 4 minutes. Well, basically 3 minutes now. No, I lie. What am I saying? No, I was not lying. I was correct. 3 minutes. Break even hit. No, I'm so sorry. Actually, I'm basically hands up so the market starts respecting limit sell at 30400. I don't know if I would have had it there. I mean, technically, that's where my stop loss would have been. Yep, that's where my stop loss would have been for this one. Multi-Miro. Let's see. Still 3 minutes to go. So, Mikuavi, you haven't taken a trade yet? I mean, it respected the VWAP real nice. Oh, wait. Sorry, you're on ES. It did nothing with ES. Never mind, I take that back. On NQ, it respected VWAP real nice. Three, two, one, let's see. It's quite an impressive doji. Let's see, 958. Again, 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go until news. I feel like I need to do a day. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Leave it alone, don't do it. Yeah, I just can't see it respecting. It's all a bit loosey-goosey. Yeah, from 10 AM, maybe I become bearish. If it goes below 333, I'm scaling in. Okay. Well, there we go. It went below. Oh my gosh. Let's see, it's the last minute. It's the final countdown. Okay. I was gonna say, oh no, I'll be normal from now on, but I think you guys would be so bored if I started acting normal. What would you do with yourselves if I was just a normal boring person? Seriously, what would you do with yourselves? Are you ready? 10 seconds to go. Into the bubble level. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
What should do nothing? Oh, no, never mind. That went bad. Meow. Yeah, that was annoying enough to make a disabled man get up and turn the stream off. Wow, Mikuabe. Wow. You know what? I haven't had to play this in a while, but it's necessary after that.
Emotional damage.
Bottom tick lowest to the upside, one structure's broken. Rough if you were normal boring that much. Oh yeah, she doesn't live. That was savage. Louis. That was savage. Mikwave, I'm used to you being savage. You big meanie. But damn, Louis, you're gonna start beef with people on the internet that I don't want to start beef with. Or do I? Shall we start beef for funsies? No, I'm kidding. We're not starting any beef with anyone. Well, that was very meh. I expected more. Okay, go on to paper. Yes? Yes, okay, I'm on paper. This is just for its and giggles. A Bob's Bob trade. For its and giggles because I can. And because I like the rejection off of this Bob level, to be honest. That is one thing I actually said I wanted to start slowly doing. I mean, a nice break here. Should have gotten into a short for a Bob's Bob over there. This doji and that rejection. Oh, wait, watch it not work now. Oh, okay, bye-bye. Let's see. Because we can, and we can paper trade and we can have some fun. Let's have some fun. This beat is sick. That's a song, right? It is. I'm not going to finish the rest of that song because it's bad. He is pumping. Hey, Silent Hustle, how you doing? That's all. Multimirror risky trade. Multimirror again. It is paper. So I ain't risking anything. Your stop loss is just above my TP. Ooh. Let's see. Again, this is on paper. This is not my strategy. This was me marketing in. What I have learned from my year and a few months of trading is that whenever I market in, the market gives me the middle finger. Me and marketing in are not friends. Seriously, not friends. Watch it happen again. Did respect there though. Technically entry should have been when it broke above 343. Do 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 do. I'm surprised Mikuwabe actually has the stream open with how much I annoy him. Sorry, I was just sang that song and then I realized how much I'm annoying myself and went, wow. That's bad. That's bad. It's really bad. Okay, sir. Sorry, Perry's sighing like he has to pay all the bills. Little freeloader. How do you choose what marketing in is? So Louis, marketing in is just clicking the buy or sell button. So you don't have a limit order place. You don't have like a buy stop or something. You just, where it is now, you enter. That's what marketing in is. This is why we to respond because I'm your favorite viewer. Maybe I just really like irritating you. Did you ever think it could just be that? I don't know why I've selected you to be mean to today. To be fair, you dish it back. Maybe that's why. I can be mean to you because I know you won't be offended. Y'all, if this works, you guys owe me a coffee. A decent push off for that bob level. Let's see what this decides to do here. It's quite stuck on ES. Who said ES looked good? ES doesn't look like it's moved that much. Is that just me? Who's trading ES right now? Can you confirm or deny for me, please? Wait. Nee. Like, not terrible, but not ideal, because it just tapped into there. Watch this now be actually a perfect setup. Rejected. Tap back. Damn, this actually would have been a good setup. Well, 1, 2. Okay, it's a B setup for my strategy. This is rejecting off of a tiny volume imbalance on ES, a small one. It is there though, but it is a small volume imbalance. Yeah. I think you only market in. You don't have limit orders or stop set. I'm on there yesterday. What do you mean I'm on there yesterday? Oh, bottom mirror high. Okay. So it's a valid trade. Nice. What do you want to know about ES? Is it moving nicely or not really? Damn, look at that. Though to be fair, when it had done that, I probably would have gone break even. Okay. So it was a whatchamacallit. It was a B setup. Not so much an A+, but it would have worked out. Alrighty then. Y'all should never question Bob. This is insane. Bob to Bob, come on. Aw, thanks, Love Life. Aren't you a sweetie pie? I think. I don't think it's gonna come this far down, but... Oh no, okay. Not coming that far down. I gotta say that was actually not a bad trade. Oh, okay, come on. You have to tap in there. Let's go. It's a good area for stop loss just below that liquidity zone. Can't believe how much I rejected off of this, which means this is actually not just liquidity, this is also equal lows. This is a very, very big point of interest for me, this 290 area. Come on. Damn. Greed one a little bit there. Should have had TP a little bit lower. Oh well, doesn't matter. Ah, oh, what a shame. Oh well. Let's see. Also wanted to see this, but it didn't go into my point of interest. How disappointing. Okay, solid bob to bob trade. That was solid. And that's how you lose in profit. Oh man. Well, again, this was just a paper trade. Like I said, I butchered it this morning, so oh, gotta get the poor bad boy back up there. But a good bob to bob trade. Chuffed with that. Good with the stop loss. Let's see, watch this now go back up for potential TP, but oh, it doesn't matter. Two, looks like the sellers are potentially coming back here. Okay. Yep. Sellers are potentially coming back. Wave. Retail, you're allowing the market to grab more liquidity. Why do you say that? Also, again, I cannot stress this enough, guys. This was a paper trade. I cannot stress that enough. That was very much a paper trade. Jose, looks like my account's growing little by little. Yeah, I had a little win this morning during London. It was a nice one. Thoroughly enjoyed that trade. It basically top ticked me. It was awesome. Now I'm just waiting for, I would say I'm waiting for an A+ setup here. Ugh. Yeah. Let's see. Just waiting for my setup here. Like, these wicks are promising for it to continue going up there, but the fact that it's slowly going back down shows that there are sellers present. Very big push on ES. Let's see what it does with that little volume imbalance on ES. They're gonna reject off of it a little bit there. So it did tap into it, bit of rejection. Let's see if it now breaks above. Yes. Yes. Broken above. Why would you take that trade live? Personal funds, 100k accounts. What do you mean that's paper trade? What? Sorry, it's what? What was your starting balance? Do you have a live account? No, I have a funded account. The starting balance was actually 50k, so I was very much, and I still am in drawdown. Slowly picking myself back up, ever so slowly. To the context that we cannot short on. He'll be selling that with it. It is prone to spikes. Yep, like this. Spiking all over the place. Let's give it a minute and then I think it's coin toss time. Heck yeah. Let's do this. Solly, have you taken a trade? Or are you waiting? I mean, oh wait. Damn, it's still low-key respecting that volume imbalance on ES. Did not see that coming. But it keeps retesting it at the same time. Let's see what it does. I'm giving you 5k for a live account. Okay, why? You sound like you watched your first trading video. Anyways, I need my lady to take more risk. Okay, bet. Needs me to take more risk. How's this? Sell. Because apparently I need to start taking more risk, guys, so. It landed on tails. I don't make the rules. Ah, look at that. Was not in the cards. Actually would have been a winning trade. Look at that. Expected the heck out of this itty bitty. I don't even know if I can actually call that a fair value gap, to be fair. Look at that. Okay, so that is two shoulda, coulda, woulda trades. I say that probability of me moving these to break even are really high, so I probably would have break even for both of these trades, but in the end they actually worked out for a winner-winner chicken dinner. Look at that. That's so awesome if you can do it today. What's my broker? I'm currently with top one, but I would very gladly take a Tradeify account, just saying. Let's sell the highs, buy the lows. Multimeter, is that what you're actually doing? You taking 400 to 350. Wait, where's 350? No, 33. Yeah. 3350. Oh, English. It's failing me. I don't know. I'm curious. My stream tied a 5k live account. Dirty! Heck yeah, let's do this. So guys, can I just say, whoa. That would be insane to get that amount of money. Choppiness. Oh well, we got it. Nice call there, Multimiro. So I did actually end up going to take that bob level. So if I just actually left the bob trade alone completely. So that was another thing when it comes to the bob trades. I'm gonna get yelled at because technically you should just leave it alone. Don't move to break even, do nothing either. It's a win or it's a loss. Leave it alone. Why do I feel like everyone is behaving today, right? Am I giving off like a be good vibe? If that's the case, stop it. That's weird. We don't behave here. Why is everyone scared? Because of the market? Or you're scared of the market? Louis says no fear. Oh, Louis not scared of nothing. Do. So then, who's in a trade right now? I'm a little sad. I wanted to win. You just flipped a coin. That's not be good vibes. What? Oh, is Louis still in? Go on then, Maya. Coin flip 200 risk on my funded. No? No. Oh my gosh. Hey Chan, you're up 1,400 for the day. That is awesome. Me stop loss got it 300 in profit, but got in on buys at 340. Hey Ethan, if approved first pay. Oh, Ethan, are you serious? Okay, I know you're still waiting on approval, but I still think that deserves a whoop whoop if I do say so myself. Are you ready? That is so exciting! Well done, Ethan! We all are loving that for you. There we go. Okay. Sure. Just gonna keep an eye on there and see what we get here. Okay. Are we gonna get something good? Okay. If people actually say yes to this, I'm gonna low-key be insulted, but let's see. I already know what Mikuwabe is gonna say for this. There we go. I guarantee that was Mikuwabe. Oh, flip. That's what I do then, man. PG stream. Fastest yes of my life. Oh man, that is hilarious. You guys. I cannot stress this enough. I'm not gonna do that. But I'm curious to see what you guys think. Slash say. I know exactly who the munchkins are. Yes, I just called you a munchkin. That are going to say yes. I saw Flip and funded and pressed yes. You guys are so funny. I agree to equal overload, so it will eventually go down. Also right before liquidity that will never swim. No, chat, 100%. No, I do think it wants to go down. I just kind of low-key believe it wants to take out... There's so much buy-side liquidity as well. You don't think I might want to come sweep all this buy-side liquidity and then just go all the way back down? Maybe rejection off a VWAP again. Worked like a charm earlier. The people have spoken and bloweth the account. You guys are actually such bad news. I really hope you know that. I'm not underfunded. Oh, it said bye. To be fair, this coin has been doing me dirty today. So, let's see. Like I said, this coin has indeed been doing me kind of dirty today. But, screw it. Let's do this to VWAP. I said, no, it gave me a nice short and then it screwed me. But it's fine. There's two outcomes. Either you lose the account or give the account capital. Either way, it's a win-win for chat. Chances, if you want a short, you can try a short now. But the coin said buy. The coin apparently taketh away today. That's where we at. The coin taketh away. Struggle to break there. I hope you guys know this is just for lols. When it comes to the paper trading, I just kind of do it for funsies. Literally. Paper trading for funsies. My funded account I take very seriously. Uh-oh. Oh dear. Look at it go. Wow. The coin told me to go and get, yeah. Get got today. Can people start donating money so I can get her to do an account giveaway and pay her half to rig it so I get accounts? If this next minute inverse, that gap could be a break-even trade now. Let's see. That coin is a horrible habit, even on paper. You're getting a psychology, even if it's fake money. If you say so, Louis. Let me just see here. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, still struggled there. Entry for a long on my normal strategy would have been around here. Would I have taken that though? Probably not. Why? Because it's in a bob level. Don't know my rules when it comes to the bob levels. Hands off. Only once it's broken will I take one. That's why I did contemplate this one. Yeah, well. Would have had to been very, very fast to take that. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Okay, let's see. Like I said, just watching this go on by. Nope. Yes. Huh. Ollie, you still haven't taken a trade on ES, eh? Took that out. Might actually go back up higher. Might actually go back up higher. Okay, coin. Let's see if you were right. Watch me now say that and it goes back down. Just because I said that. $10.29, nearly $10.30. Stop touching. Today I knew it would be. I don't know. I have heavy using day today. I knew it would be. Well, there we go. Brother Bean. Paper trade has some screws loose. Okay, there we go. Anyways, that was entertaining to witness over there. Imagine it just carried on messing around and then it went up. Let's see. Okay, now 10:30. Let's see what we get. I've yet to have an A+ set up. Well, I say that. No, it wasn't A+. I have yet to have an A+ set up. Let's see if it breaks above. Here we go. Nope. But I don't like messing with the bob levels. Clearly a 516 for a sell would be sweet. 516. Damn, that's far. That's far. Oh, you know what? I knew it. When I saw this, I knew today was gonna be meh. Dagnabbit. Why is it like this? Okay, do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do butterfly of the day. Let's do butterfly of the day. Da 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 da. Then give it 15 more minutes, see if it gives us another A. Well, let's see if it gives us an A+ setup. If not, I mean, I am green for the day. It is what it is. Let's not do dumb stuff. Come on, Wi-Fi. Don't do me dirty like that. Come on. Oh no, apparently my Wi-Fi is having a freak out. I see the Facebook you called earlier. I should have gotten out there and bought. I thought it was valid. There we go. Well, see, it definitely was valid. Would have been a banger. Wait a second. Nope. Still gonna watch this. Okay, still nope. Still don't have an A+ setup. Also not loving how close it is to VWAP. But I mean, if an A+ presents itself around you and TP is around VWAP, that would be pretty good. That rejection off of here at that doji was the aha moment for it was going to be bob to bob level, to be honest. Though ES is now starting to push down. ES is pushing down hardcore. Well, I say hardcore. It's just pushing down. Let's not get ourselves excited right now over nothing. 434. Oh, right. Butterfly of the day. It's just not loading. Please load. There we go. Oh, your nose is cold. Hello. That was freezing. That was very, very cold. I appreciate the love, but that was a very cold little snoot on my arm right there. That's so cool. What the heck? Okay. Are we ready? That was scary. My whole screen just went completely blank there. Anyways, let's do this. Okay. Random butterfly of the day and go. Generate. Processing. Da, 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 da. Mournful Dusky Wing. That is Loki, a very sad name. Right, good. It's not yours. Small to medium spread wing skipper. butterfly in the family, blah blah blah, whatever that is. I can't say that name. No, where's that nice one? Where's that nice website that I like? I don't like using Wikipedia. Let's try this one. Okay, kind of works. Common name is the mournful dusky wing, or the sad dusky wing. It's low-key depressing. I feel a little bit bad for it. Let me quickly check what's happening here. Give me a second. Nope, still not an A+ setup. That's fine. Common below 2,000, including the Sacramento Valley. Routinely found in cities. It's a strong flyer, but not a very dedicated puddler. Okay, so it's multiple brooded from March to October. Do you guys know what puddling is? I can tell you that. So multiple brooded from March to October. This is only common dusky wing with a white fringe. Oh, okay, look. On its butt. Host plant is oaks. Yeah. There we go. This is our little sad dusky wing for the day. It's low-key depressing. He's cute though. He is cute. There's our little butterfly of the day. He's apparently sad. Just like the markets. Anyways, back we go. Right up, right up. Oh, here we go. Or not. Here we go. Chan, you say let it melt. So I'm just reading about my horse. I love it. Yeah, just reading about my retired girl. She moved to a different yard yesterday. A fact about the caterpillars use leaves it eats to create a sleeping pack that looks exactly like dead leaves, so predators just go by it and leave it alone. It's a master of disguise. There we go, Louis. That's very interesting. To be fair, butterflies are low-key clever. They're manipulators, and they're kind of scary. I have a whole new respect / fear of butterflies. But damn. And they are masters of disguise. I have heard that they are masters of manipulation to a whole new level. Hey guys, I'm gonna go get my nappy nap. I'm a growing boy who needs his daily naps. What do you mean? OTT, what do you mean daily? It's like nighttime. What do you mean a nap? It's like bedtime. Bro, I think you mean I gotta get ready for bed, not a nap. What is wrong with you? Live life says take longs. Okay. And Louis is back in on cells. See, this is... I swear this is what people expect me to do every time they say that. I go, okay. Here we go, I've taken along. You said take along, so I've taken along. Took a few womp-womps. No, Jordy, what happened? It is a rough day today, though. My ageless time is late. My latest 4 AM. Wait a minute.
Emotional damage.
You think live life is right? Well, let's see. You said take a bye, so I took a bye. Let's see what happens. Oh, here we go. Nice, live life. No, no, maybe not. Let's see. We are consolidating in this little bit of a level here. Jordy, where did you get what happened where? Yep, Trimix, live life a market maker. Ah, are we getting some insider trading? Is that actually what's happening? Look at us, we are becoming part of the cool kids club. Oh damn. There we go. I'll move that there. Nope. Okay, still no A+ setups for me. Hard luck. Model follow, just choppy PA. Okay, that makes sense. Then it's fine. As long as you followed your model, you followed your rules, then it do not matter. To be fair, I was looking earlier and I also thought, you know, if I had... there were 2 trades I could have taken, but I can almost guarantee you there would have been at least break-evens. So I guess it wouldn't have been a win, but wouldn't have been a loss. So I gained nothing and earned nothing from not taking them. So it's then fine. Oh, and down we go. If it stays around this level for the next 5 minutes, we're going up. Yeah, exactly, Jordy. Listen to OTT over there. Then it's a win. If you stuck with your model and you trusted yourself, then you're a winner chicken dinner. Wow, this is a hectic resistance zone. What's... Oh. It's respecting the 50% of this fair value gap. Wild. Check how nothing or no body of the candle is closed above the 50% of this fair value gap. Oh, yeah, I'm eyeballing it, but that looks around 50%. Let's see. Woo! Close. I was slightly off. Let's see if this closes above. I think once it closes above the 50% of this fair value gap, we could be good for buys. But until then, it's still respecting it, which is insane. Problem is this leg up never swept liquidity. Read the chart from the bottom up. I'm still in longs. If she hit there, I'm out at break even. Damn. Okay. You have been in this trade, Louis. Still closed below. Damn. It's 50% being respected. Not gonna lie, today was a hard day. If it wasn't for that risky trade, I would be flat for the day. I mean, guys, I am up. I am in the green for today, so, you know, I also don't want to be done with a difficult day and take something and potentially give back my profit. That would also be a very silly thing to do. Always think of an old-timey mine in Las Vegas and before you're making $2 winning bet and eating a chicken dinner. That whenever you say winner chicken dinner. Wait, is this it? Are we gonna break above the 50%? Da-da. I don't know why I'm doing shark noises. Well, that's not a shark noise. You know what I mean. I mean, the dun-dun thing is... Jaws. Jaws. People associated with sharks. Right? I'm not wrong. People associated with sharks. No, I think I'm gonna remove rejection blocks my entries. Just stick to CIGs and unicorn. Why is that, OTT? Haven't they been working well for you? Or not really? I thought you added them and that's what made the difference. Or have you barely used them and there's no point in using them? Essentially, what's making you make that decision? I think that's just it. What is making you make that decision right now? Okay, bearish fair value gap, I see you. It's just insane that how well you're working. Okay. They work amazing. I barely used them. I don't know when last I took a rejection block trade, maybe even like 2 weeks. Oh, okay, then yeah. Then I guess what's the point? They're also scary. Oh, okay. If you barely use them, you're not, yeah, then you're aware of them, but don't use them as an entry, then who cares? Look at that, damn. I'm completely shocked at how much it respected that. Also, this do be going sideways. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if we get anything else here. Next 2 candles will confirm. Wait, ODT, why do you say they're scary, by the way? What makes them so scary? Just a reminder, I am still here tomorrow. Both London and New York. Wednesday, I'm not here. Or I guess for some of you it'll be a Tuesday night. Okay. Wednesday I'm not here, London or New York. And then Thursday, I will not be here, London, but I will be here New York session for Thursday. It's been a wild time. And then I shouldn't miss any other days. Shouldn't being the keyword. I shouldn't miss any other days. Here we go, finally broke it. Is it gonna close above it though? Until obviously I leave for Joburg. Then that's a whole other situation. For Red Folder Monday, this was horrible bank holiday better. So we're trying to get above weekly open or Sunday open. English has gone. I know, Debbie. You know what? I'm giving up. Oh, how was Jay's day of trading, Deb? Never had a bad Thursday. Do you know why? Because Thursdays don't exist. Yeah. I know. I would be like, I could argue, but what am I arguing? Because you're right, Thursday doesn't exist. I'm just full of rubbish. Taps into those wicks over there. 1, 2. Why is there only 2? What does this look like on the 5 minute? Damn, it don't look like anything on the 5 minute. That's what it looks like. Looks like absolutely nothing. Just tapped into the fair value gap and just tapped into the first presented. Would it be dumb to take it? Shoot. Okay, I'll take it on the paper, which means it would be a buy here. So I'm taking it on the paper. Like I said, I wouldn't have taken it on the funded for the reason that I just tapped into the first presented and VWAP could be rejecting further down. It's also not a bad one. To get confirmation via paper is not a bad thing. Let's see how it reacts. I'd like to see it move. Yeah, basically back to there. Yeah, okay, then it would be break even. Huh, maybe it's gonna work out nicely. Ah, shoot. Oh well. little higher. Ooh, struggling to break out that first presented. Huh. Pity. Well, I say that. I did have a valid reason to not take it on my funded. So I guess not pity, just it is what it is. Still took it here just to get confirmation. If you have a valid setup, take it. Okay, break even. Okay, so it would have been break even, so that's okay. And also isn't great, but just the way I trade them don't show up often. OTT, look at Maya taking my advice. Oh, rough. So it was a really good rejection off of there. Then rejected straight back down. Terrifying. Okay, cool. Rather paper traded if you are not sure. Damn. Okay, again, nothing lost, nothing gained from this. Okay, Debbie. Okay, got it. Got it. So, not too much trading took place. Got it. That's fine. I'm just with no stop loss. Okay, Louis. Alrighty then. Like I said, gatekeeping your 10-hour trades, I would play PS5 too. Yeah, guys, I must say, just today in general is low-key giving me a hell nah vibe. Watch it now, go back up. I'm trying to teach because I'm not the best at it, and you learn differently to how I want to show them. Oh, okay, that makes sense. To be fair, I do also know it's really difficult to teach someone you know. Like, I know for a fact I cannot teach my friends how to ride horses because they are friends. They feel like they can argue back. Whereas if it were someone they didn't know, they would be quiet and they would just do what they said. Does that make sense? Is that just a me thing? I know that tends to be a thing. If you're comfortable, you're more inclined to be like, no, I don't want to. But if it's someone you don't know and they say do it, you'll do it. Does that... Yeah, I hope that makes sense. It's just what I've felt. Ah, oh, for crying out loud. Okay, I see we're stuck here again. Last minute, I guess, but... Ollie, what are you doing? Sorry, I just saw that you are you're in the order flow and you are streaming, but that's not trading. What are you doing? What is... Okay, I don't even know if Ollie's watching this, but what are you... Okay, whatever. Typing with one hand is hard. Oh, there's TJ and he learns. Wow, this is basically just pinballing between a VWAP and basically the 50% of that, the value gap point. Oh my gosh, okay. I might be calling it here. I don't see myself finding anything else. Let's pop on here. Less chaotic. There we go. Okay. So all we had earlier was our win from London, but that's okay. Okay. Ended in the green. I can't complain about that. It's now... Yeah, this is not a nice day to be trading. I mean, it's slowly trending up, but... It's also choppy. So explain how to use it because, right, basically don't ask for help, not you trying to help. That makes sense. Hey, what's up, some guy? Oh, I was just about to call it. Yeah, some guy, not much. How's work? No, you're not at work. Never mind. It's Monday. Mikwaba, you're here. You can't. So they blame you for this screw up and they hate it when you say I told you not to do. Yep, exactly. That's why it's. We slowly grinding up. Oh, wow. Wow, some guy. Okay. Well done for calling it. I mean, yeah, New York has been meh, I guess, for lack of a better word. Kind of went up, came back down into opening and slowly grinding back. It's like it's trending up just slowly and a little bit choppy, and it's taking out stop losses and yeah, pity. So luckily I didn't take any trade. There were no 3 possible trades, none of them A+, but 3 trades that I was like, maybe all of them would have been break even. So nothing gained, nothing lost during New York today, so that's fine. Yeah, so that's fine. Like I said, I'm actually most likely gonna then just call it here. Yeah, just call it here. Basically lunch. Oh, wait. Okay, no, let's give it 2 minutes. Let's wait for the new hourly. Let me not call it yet. Let's wait for the new hourly. I lied. We dropped a bit further, potential swing along zone, but nothing for me till then. Okay, like I said, we do have 2 minutes to go. Let's see, maybe the new hourly we're gonna get a bit of a break. Okay. Let's see what it gives us. The new hourly. If it gives us nothing, then I'm calling it on the new hour. That's just an intense game. 11 minutes and I'm out of this trade no matter what. Your time chat, don't forget everyone. Take a nap to celebrate you lost. Take a depressed nap. Take a trade, stop being scared. I'm not scared. I just wait for my A+ setups. There's a very big difference. I've not gotten an A+ setup. Okay, let's see. 30 seconds till the new hour. Thank you, some guy. See, some guys got my back. $58, 10 seconds. Let's see what the new hourly gives us. Two, one, and... Okay, I'm not jumping up and down about this. Nope. Apparently not. I got your back. You provide my favorite music. Ah, I knew it. I gotcha. Just gotta give you that music. Them good jams. 30 seconds. It's just gonna go back below. Oh my gosh. All these agents in the port. How do you get a coin flip on your button? I know. How hilarious. Okay, I can't have a stop loss and profit because you never. Proud. Wow. I actually can't believe how many people said yes. It's still A+, B+, C+ is still a win. Take a risk. And if it's not a win... What? Okay. I don't feel like you're making any sense right now, but then... Wow. Just... Wow. If you plus if broke the blown account. That one got me. You know what? I'm leaving it at that. That was too good. That was too good. OTT, that clapback was beautiful. I am okay. No, this is going nowhere. I did at least wait for the new hourly, and the new hourly gave me nothing. Just wow, see the low and probably the name. What are we doing here? That was amazing. I was so glad I got to see that clapback. Damn, Otiana in full force today, being all sassy. I love it. I love it. Now we just need Holly to come and be sassy as well. Anyone else want to bring some sass? Part of me wants to stay just to see what they said, but I'm just like, no, don't be the drama. Just don't be the drama. Have they responded? No, just don't be the drama. I'm gonna like take my time to say goodbye. Why are they not responding? No, okay, I'll stop. Okay. I love you guys madly. That was how many tattoos do I have? It depends, like I mean, you could call my back piece one tattoo, but technically it was like 1, 2, 3, and that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9? 10. 10. Nice. Technically 11, because this was like 2 different tattoos, but it's one tattoo. Like, do you see where it gets complicated? Okay. I don't know if I should bet. You know what? Yeah, OTT. Who knows? Bad. I love you guys badly. It's fine. It's fine. I love you guys. I will be back tomorrow. Let's do this. Another green day tomorrow. Whoop whoop. For anyone that's in the green, don't worry for anyone that's in a red. It's only Monday. We've got this. And it's only the first day of the month. What's up, Boom? I'm about to leave. Sorry, Boom. Mad love. See y'all later, alligators.